Okay, hello. This is a beginner's guide on how to earn BNB token with Rainbnb platform. Please, a very short one. I'm going to guide you. I have series of videos I've taught on this, but this is a kind of a guide. It's a very simple guide. Now, as of the time I made the video on BNB, first time on Rainbnb, BNB was selling at the value of around $500. Even that was during the time of fluctuation prices, it even went beyond below that. But as I'm talking to you now, BNB is over $1,000, 1,300 plus. That is the power of crypto. That's why anytime you have opportunity to do something on crypto, just do it. Let it be part of your saving culture. Don't just invest and save only on fiat currency. Save on crypto. Now, this what you are seeing as my dashboard, but you as a beginner, please look at these things. Let me go off now. You see, this one of the first things you're going to do is to download and install this VPN called Thunder VPN. Install and download is very important. That's the first thing. It's for faster network anywhere here in the world, so that your network, as long as this thing is concerned, it can work. But let me tell you, for those of us who live in countries where internet is very good, you may not still need it. So don't think that Thunder VPN installation is the most important aspect of this. Now, you may still not to do that if your internet will do well. Now, after that, you are going to ensure you have a SafePower wallet. If you have a SafePower wallet, do your best to put in at least $4 worth of BNB, and let it be on BNB chain. If you don't understand crypto, just take time and ask me this question. All that I'm saying now on the comment section of this video. I will now show you videos on how to do each of these simple things. Now, I said you must have at least $4 worth of BNB, and that BNB should be in BNB chain. Now, when we talk about chain, that is network. In each of these tokens, some of them have different chains. You see, you can see BNB under BEP20, you can see it under whatever, even Ethereum and all that. You understand? You see so many of them under different network. You can see it under TRC20 and so many, all those stuff like you see in USDT, you see all of those things. So you talk about BNB chain. Let your account. Now the question is, how do I do it? If you have money in USDT, the first thing is to convert to BNB. And while converting to BNB, use the BNB. So when you want to transfer to your SafePower wallet, it should be on BNB chain. Very important. If you don't know how to do this, please let the comment box be your place to say these things. I will now contact you privately and show you how to go about all of these things. So once you have at least that $4, then you need that link, that official link to join, and that's what you are requested to do. I will not drop it for you until I'm sure you have followed the first part, because you clicking to join it won't make sense if you don't have the money. Because how the system works, once you follow the link to be part of this system, it will automatically, you're going to see the process, everything, the prompt will be there. Now you follow the prompt, and then you get to a point where the system wants you now want on its own cut the money, the registration fee from the prompt. When it calls it, you confirm that I agree that a third party whatever is taking this, so that you register to this, yes, from your SafePower. But if you don't have it, nothing will happen. So it's a waste of time thinking that you're registering. You're not registering anything. So that is the first thing. Once you've done that, I will now say, okay, look at the link, follow through this, and do this. And now, by the time you have done all this and start, you now begin to see how to earn. The system works in a way, it's a kind of crowdfunding. Crowdfunding that you don't only earn from people down here, you earn from people up there. And one good thing about the system is that you may not automatically refer anyone because it's a crowdfunding based on a 2x2 force matrix. Once you register and in that team you are, other people registers, even if you are not the one that brought them, they are being placed. If the person who registers you, the man directly above of you, have got 2 people placed under him, any other person that comes in is placed under the next man. Are you getting it? It doesn't matter who registers or not. Though those who still made it to registration, who refer these people, have some things they gain, but you too, even though you don't refer. But there's a clause there. For you to qualify for that spillover referral, that is, you don't refer but you earn from those who are coming after you, you must be at level 2 at least. That's influencer level. And that influencer level, so if you want to join it, it's better. If you want to start at that influencer level, it will make meaning for you to start with $8 while registering. Because around $4 worth of BNB will help you register for the first level. Then you now use that to register for the second level and now prepare for the spillover. So as they are coming, you don't need to refer anybody. But if you know you are good at referring, there's no need spending extra money. Just do, once 2 persons comes under you, what you earn from those 2 persons will help you to go over to level 2 and still have some things to withdraw as your profit. So you will never put in anything again. As the team is moving, you'll be earning to get to the next level. And why it's important to get to the next level, you can earn and decide to withdraw everything. Nobody cares about that. But if you are stuck at level 2 and someone down that came later than after you is beyond that level 2, you will not earn from them anymore. But if in the line of that team, you are at a particular level, anybody under you that gets is at that level or lower, you earn from them. But if they go beyond you, anything they are doing, you'll never earn from them. That's why as people make money here, they don't just withdraw everything. They withdraw some profit and use the rest to upgrade to the next level so that anything that comes into the team, they earn it. So that's exactly how this system works. So while I'm explaining this way, you may not fully understand it. But then when you join, you begin to, and especially when you are ready, I will now show you exactly how it was. Look at, you could see there are so much, many ways to earn. We have what we call the direct referral bonus, you have the direct bonus, the referral bonus, the upgrade bonus, the level bonus, the royalty bonus, and the reward bonus. All of these bonuses are so much there. You will have different ranks. Beginner rank, that's the one you start with $4 worth of BNB. Influencers, the second level, advice, achiever, ambassador, pioneer, mentor, and so many of them, up to 15 of them. So this is exactly how the system works. The system is well structured and well built. Everything is very simple. And once you join, you will be able to see both your referral ID and a referral link that others can use to also be your partner under your team. And once they are on your team, whether they are directly placed under you or not, you discover that you are earning both referral, direct referral, direct bonus as well as referral bonus, and so many other bonuses. The system works. Nothing goes out of the system to any other person. As you see the money somewhere there in your SEPA, that is where it is. Nobody's taking it. It's not moving out from. Nobody has access to it to like pull it out. So this is the SEPA where you have the where you're going to see this money that you're going to put in the money before you connect what we're talking about. Look at the SEPA now. So you look at the OPBNB. This is BNB, but it's under OPBNB. Now look at also this other BNB is BEP20. This other, you can see, that's what I'm saying. This is what called change. BNB OP BNB chain, then BNB BEP20. You can see it. Like I told you, look at BNB now is selling at 1,300 something like. As of the first time this system started, BNB was still at the price of less than $500. Now it has come almost triple times, and that's the power of crypto. Imagine you started, and it's going to move on because BNB is the native token of Binance. That coin, as long as Binance is the biggest crypto centralized exchange, then you be sure that their native token is not going to be joking. The time comes when it's going to be pursuing Ethereum. Be ready for that time. I tell you, I predicted this thing some few months ago, and it's happening right now. So if you are really ready, I've taken time talking on this video. It's not just to waste time, but I was taking time to explain some things and for you to see the need to be part of this. So if you have still question, use the comment box. I will take you to my WhatsApp where we talk one-on-one and I guide you in every other thing you need to do. Remember where to start, deposit first, and then we'll go on from there. If you are new to this channel, please do wait to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video and let's build wealth together. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.